This 5-minute solution will show you how to add a pin to your Roblox account. Adding a pin to your Roblox account is very easy process. Just follow me to do it. Open your Roblox and sign into your account. Click on this gear icon. Click on settings. Once you are in the settings page, here select parental controls and you will get parent pin option. So toggle this option and now create a 4-digit pin here. Retype the pin to confirm and click on add. If your two-step verifications turn on, then you have to enter the 6-digit verification code to confirm and then click on verify. And as you can see, I've successfully created a pin. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.